Wait,
did you get, wait, what?
No, I
can't
can't,
get this.
I'm supposed to, Alan! My pinwheel isn't turning out right. It doesn't look like the finished one that came with the kit.
You know, neither does mine.
Ugh.
I was so excited to make these pinwheels, but the instructions are so confusing.
I know, it's making me feel so...
Yeah, me too, Abby. You know, when something is bothering us or making us uncomfortable, we can feel irritated.
Yeah, well, I'm feeling irritated.
I am
right.
too.
Oh.
You know what?
Okay.
I have an idea.
Huh?
All right, why don't we take a break,
Oh.
all right? And try some butterfly breathing.
Butterfly breathing?
We are going to pretend to breathe like a butterfly because it's an exercise we can do to help us feel less irritated. You want to try it?
Yes,
Okay.
I definitely do.
Okay, great. So the first thing we do, we put our arms out and we pretend to be beautiful butterfly wings.
Wait. Alan, you know I'm a fairy, right? I don't have to pretend to have wings.
That's true.
But I can pretend to have a butterfly wing.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay,
all right?
arms out.
You got arms out?
Yeah.
Great. And then we're going to raise our wings high above our head as we slowly breathe in through our nose, like this. And then you lower your butterfly wings as you slowly breathe out through your mouth, like this. All right, you want to try it with me?
Yeah,
All right.
okay, so
all right.
wings.
Wings high above your head, breathe in through your nose, and then wings down, breathe out through your mouth. One more time. Up and down. Good. Now, how are you feeling?
Well, I'm feeling less irritated. I think I might be ready to try this pinwheel again.
You know what? Me too. Hey, Abby?
Yeah?
You know what butterfly breathing is also good for?
What?
Watch this. Pretty good, right?